San Simon Mayor Abundio Punsalan Jr. was arrested while allegedly receiving a 30 million peso payoff from a businessman. The bribe was reportedly part of a 130 million pesos extortion demand in exchange for not blocking a steel plant project. Our Isaiah Mirafuentes narrates the incident.
Tara po, kasama po muna kayo sa amin. Mayor, tara po.
In an entrapment operation conducted by the National Bureau of Investigation or NBI, the mayor of San Simon, Pampanga, Abundio Jun Punsalan Jr. was caught in the act while receiving money from a complainant who was deceived into shelling out 130 million pesos in exchange for not opposing the complainant's plan to put up a steel manufacturing plant in the area.
130 million kasi ito daw ang nagastos ni Mayor sa kanyang pagtakbo. Kasi nga, meron daw kalaban si Mayor na pinatakbo nitong company na to. So, balik daw dapat sa kanila, ibalik daw nila yung 130 million.
But the victim requested to lower it to 80 million and to be allowed to pay it in installments. The victim brought a marked money of 30 million pesos to a coffee shop in Clark, Pampanga. And it was there that the mayor was caught in the act.
Nagulat nga kami lahat na siya mismo ang lumutang doon sa area para tumanggap ng pera.
With the mayor was Ed Ryan Dimla, who claimed to be the external administrator of San Simon, Pampanga. Also arrested were the mayor's 5 armed bodyguards, who are now under NBI investigation and are possibly active military personnel. The mayor kept mum about the allegations against him.
Sir, about to answer kasi nasa korte na po yung kaso. Mga abogado ko na lang po ang sasagot.
The NBI discovered that the mayor had previous cases on record. The agency is also verifying whether the firearms carried by his arrested bodyguards are licensed.
Maganda ito, nasugpo namin para yung mga investor natin wag matakot dito sa ating bayan, no? Kailangan proteksyonan natin sila.
Mayor Punsalan, along with its accomplice Dimla and his 5 bodyguards, will face charges of robbery, violation of Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act, and illegal possession of firearms. Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.